Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Anker Soundcore Liberty Ear 2. Now you can pick these up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $100. Now they come in two different colors. You got black and silver. Alright, so let's go through all of the features. Diamond coated drivers, Qualcomm aptX with Bluetooth 5.0. Flawless audio clarity via diamond-coated drivers, 4 microphones with uplink noise cancellation, Hear ID, personalized sound, charge for 10 minutes, listen for 2 hours. Compatible with wireless charging, 7 hours worth of playtime with an additional 3 charges using the battery case, so that's going to give you 28 hours of battery life. Now these are IPX5 sweat and water resistant, and you got an app that's available for Android and iOS. All right, so all of that for $100. Let's see what it is. Now, shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Okay, so we got a nice presentation alert. Let's check out Hear ID. Download the Soundcore app. Test your hearing sensitivity. Use the personalized EQ settings. All right, so we'll try these stock. Then we'll tune them custom to my ears. Okay, let's see what it is. Now, do I need an unboxing knife for these? Nope. Rah. Minimum beast mode. All right, so here's your charging case. These are going to be your earbuds. Okay, pencil style, also known as the douche buds. Let's see what else is in here. Okay. Now let's see. Okay, bingo. USB Type-C charging and wireless charge. All right, so that's already a bonus. Let's see what else. Usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. And of course, you got some different size ear tips. Find the one that fits you correctly. Okay, so let's drop these in the case and see how they look. Okay. Now the case is definitely lightweight. Here's the original Soundcores, the Liberty Ears, and the new ones. All right, let's see. You got 3 LEDs on the front. Let's see how these look. Okay, little on the big side. Like I said, these are the pencil style. Let's compare them to last year's versions. Let's see. Okay, pretty much look identical. So if you get black, this is what they're going to look like. I went with the silver. Now, I'll pause the video. I'll grab a phone. We'll pair these up, and then we'll do a little sound test. But at the end of the video, I'll let y'all know which ones sound better. These are the originals. These are the Razor Hammerheads, which I literally love. These are the Tick Pods. All right, these is dope too. And just for fun, we'll do these versus the Galaxy Buds. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I got these all paired up, so now let's test them out. Now, for the pairing process, real simple. Once you take them out of the case, they'll automatically power up, and they'll be in Bluetooth pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and select the Liberty Ear 2s. The next thing you want to do is download the Soundcore app. Now, once you open this up, this will give you full access to all of the features. So let's go through those real quick. You got My Devices. So if you got headphones or speakers, let's connect to the Liberty Ear 2s. You got a picture of the earbuds with battery level indicators. Take it over to the menu. You can update your firmware. You got a quick start guide and a user's manual. Now on the bottom, you got your controller. So here's the default settings. Double tap on the left to take you to the next song. Double tap on the right for play and pause. Now you can switch these up and customize them to whatever you want. After that, you got your EQ settings. So you got Hear ID. All right, so if you want to, you can set up a custom profile. I'll do that in a minute. And you got a bunch of different EQ settings. So you got Signature Soundcore, Acoustic, Bass Booster, Bass Reducer, Classical, Dance, Deep, Electronic, Flat, Hip Hop, Jazz, Latin, Lounge, Piano, Pop, R&B, Rock, Small Speakers, Spoken Word, Treble Booster, Treble Reducer, and Vocal Booster. A lot of EQ settings. All right, so let's slap these on and see how they look and see how they fit. All right, so I just put these in my ears. Nice, comfortable fit, and you can definitely feel a little bit of noise isolation. All right, so let me do the head shake test. All right, that was a maximum shakeage. They didn't move at all. All right, so a nice, comfortable fit. Now here's how they're going to look when you're wearing them. pencil style, also known as douche buds. I could go either way with these. All right, so now let's do a little sound test. All right, so I got one of my favorite old school songs queued up, Odyssey, Inside Out. We're going to start this off at max volume. I just went to Hair ID, set up a custom profile, and of course, I got the EQ set to bass boost. All right, so here we go. Birdman hands rubbing together. One tap for play and pause. Let me grab my microphone just in case. Here we go. Okay, they definitely sound loud. Nice mids and highs. Let me wait for that bass. When you're sitting on your own and you feel the city life surround you. Ooh, and she's always on the phone, but you just don't think that you can fight it. Don't give up, 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 darling, darling, and what you feel. Ooh, it's like the words here in this song. We'll go on and on and on with our love. Ooh, I wanna be inside out. Let's go, shoes. I wanna be so deep that you'll return to me inside, over, over, and over again. Let's go. I wanna be inside out. Oh, darling. All right, hold up. One tap, play, and pause. Okay. Now I gotta keep it 100 with y'all. For $100, these are official tissue. All right, I like that. I like how these sound. Now I want to play with the EQ, try out a couple of different songs, and I'll be back in a minute. But so far, fresh out of the box, I'm feeling these. All right, definitely worth $100. Let's keep it moving. All right, now I just switched over to some hardcore hip hop. All right, I got Meek Mill Trauma. This song got a lot of bass, and I got to be honest with y'all, I'm impressed. All right, these sound really good for $100. Now let's do some more testing. All right, so now let's do the reconnection test. How long do these take to reconnect to your phone after you take them out and put them in the charging case? So if you notice on the bottom, Liberty Air 2s. Okay, so I'm going to take them out. Okay, just slap in the left, slap in the right. We'll close it up. Just disconnect it. Okay, so now we'll take them back out. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 3,000s. That's pretty good. All right, so now let's do the one earbud test. Can you play music from one earbud while the other one is charging up in the case? Let's find out. All right, so I got the music playing. I just took out the left earbud, drop it in the case. Still connected. Let's hit play. The right side is playing. Now let's put the left side back in. Wait for it to reconnect. Okay, just connect it. Now I'm going to take the right side out, put it in the case, completely disconnect it. So if you want to listen to one earbud, it has to be the right side. Now, one more thing I wanted to mention. I tried to pair the left side individually. It wouldn't connect. So like I said, if you want to listen to one earbud at a time, it has to be the right side. All right, so now let's check wireless charging. Look for those LEDs. Charging up. Wireless charger on deck. All right, so now let's do the range test. Now these are Bluetooth 5.0, so they should be guaranteed 30 feet, but we'll do 40 feet and 50 feet just to be safe. All right, so here we go. Let's hit play on the music. Let's start walking. Big bag got a big mag. All right, this is 30 feet. I don't get that. All right, 40 feet. 50 feet. All right, I'm walking back. Back to 30 feet. Okay. All right. So I walked all the way to 50 feet. No drop connection at all. All right, so now let's check the call quality. I'm going to call up Amaya. Soundcore 2. Max volume. Hi, girlie. What's up? What you doing? Oh, I'm about to say, what's wrong? You sound tired. That's it. That's some all that shopping. Yo, all right, check this out. All right, now I'm doing my usual. I'm testing out some headphones. I need you to keep it 100 with me. How do I sound? Sound pretty good? All right, good. I got these new headphones. They call Liberty Air 2s. They look like AirPods. They sound good. I like them. Now, as far as the call quality, they sound pretty good, though. All right, cool. All right, so check this out. I need you to send me a picture of that hat you bought me, though. I need to find a matching fit for it. Yeah, I know. All right, so let me finish this video up, and then I'll call you back and we'll set up this Disney stuff. All right, bye. Okay, call quality sounds really good. All right, she said it sounds similar to AirPods. I heard her loud and clear. The volume on these gets pretty loud. All right, you hear the person out of both ears. It was nice and clear, though. All right, so no problems with the call quality. All right, so now let's check for lag latency. And what I mean by that is, when you're watching a video, is there any delay from the person's lips to what you hear? All right, so we got some mean tweets. Let's see what it is. Okay. No delay. Oh, this is perfect. Yeah, no delay on this. Now let's check Netflix. Okay, so I got some Netflix queued up. I was watching Bad Boys 2. Let's see. No delay at all. Oh, this is perfect. Yeah, this is how I want to watch videos. Now, for the touch controls, you can set these up the way you want. Now, the way I got mine set, double tap on the left side, that'll take me to the next song. Double tap on the right side, that'll take me to the previous song. Hold for 2 seconds on the left side, that's play and pause. Hold for 2 seconds on the right side, that's the voice assistant. Now, if I wanted to add volume up and down, I could just add those at my leisure. All right, so now I'm going to do some comparisons and see which ones sound better. The original Liberty Ears, the Tic Pods, the Razer Hammerheads, or the Galaxy Buds. Let's find out. All right, so let me start off by saying this. Now, if you're debating on getting the originals or the new ones, trust me when I tell you, get the new ones. Now, stock versus stock, they pretty much sound the same, but with the new ones, you got the app. And the app makes a big difference because now you can add more bass, add more treble, add more sound. Next up, if you're debating on getting the Tic Pods or the Liberty Air 2s, trust me when I tell you, go with the Liberty Air 2s. Now, they sound similar, but you got the app with the Liberty Air 2s, so again, you can add more bass, add more treble, play with the sound settings. Next up, now this was a close competition, but if I had to choose between the Liberty Air 2s and the Razer Hammerheads, I would definitely go with the Liberty Air 2s. First of all, you got the rubber tips, so you're getting a better fit and you're getting more noise isolation. Now you could argue that the Razers are a little bit more comfortable because you don't have those rubber tips going right in your ears. But again, the app. The app makes a big difference because you can add more bass, add more treble, play with the EQ settings. So I would definitely go with the Liberty Air 2s. Now for the main event. The Liberty Air 2s versus the Galaxy Buds. And ladies and gentlemen, as much as I hate to say it, because y'all know I'm a big Samsung fan, but for $100, we got a new champ in the building. If I had to choose, I would go with the Liberty Air 2s. Now to make this 100% fair, I paired both up to a Google Pixel. I wanted the Galaxy app. I played with all of the EQ settings. I wanted the Soundcore app. Played with all of the EQ settings. Got them both to the way that I like them. And the Anker Liberty Air 2s sound better. They're a little bit louder, a little bit clearer, but they definitely have more bass. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Anker Soundcore Liberty Ear 2s a major, major, major go. And for $100, as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. You got Bluetooth 5.0 with a connection range of over 50 feet. You got USB Type-C charging, so these are future-proof. You're getting wireless charging, so you don't have to walk with any cables. 7 hours worth of battery on a single charge with quick charge. So you charge them up for 10 minutes, listen to them for another 2 hours, and you got 3 more charges with the charging case. That's pretty dope. No lag when you're watching your videos, crystal clear phone calls, the IPX5 sweat and water resistant, but the best part about these is the sound. For $100, the sound quality on these is amazing. Nice highs, nice mids, plenty of bass, but most importantly, that app. The app is the game changer on these. All right, go to the app, try to hear your ID out, add more bass, add more treble, change the sound stage. For $100, I cannot complain. You're going to love these. Now, if I wanted to be petty, there's 2 things that I can complain about. Number 1, you can't rock one earbud at a time. I don't like that. And number 2, there's no ambient sound mode. Other than that, for $100, these is official tissue. Anyway, Anker Soundcore Liberty Ear 2s. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. All right, so there's one more thing I wanted to mention. Guess who just showed up to work? Ladies and gentlemen, White Shoes is back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love
White
my
Shoes,
white shoes.
calm down. Now, a lot of people have been asking me to do another top 10 truly wireless earbuds, which I plan on doing, but I got a few more headphones that I want to try out first. So let me show you what's coming up this week. We got the Anker Liberty 2s. All right, Shoes, I need you to scoot. We got the Anker Liberty 2 Pros. We got the Amazon Echo Buds. We got the Tribit Fly Buds. We got the JBL Freeze. We got the Cambridge Melanoma 1s. We got the Xiaomi Air Dots. We got the JBL Reflect Flows. We got the Huawei FreeBuds 3. We got the Earphones. We got the JLab Epic Air True Sports. We got the new EOZ Icons. We got the Sabit E12 Ultras. Of course, I'm going to do a comparison between the Jabra Active 65s and the 75s. All right, I got the 75s coming this week. And of course, we got a couple of sets of bootleg AirPods. So once I finish all of these, I'll do another top 10. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.